Time on the water is sacred. It's why you're here, to gain confidence in your abilities and unlock the world of water for yourself, your family, and your friends. I'm Adam.
And I'm Mayumi. Together we're going to walk you through the basics of boating so you can experience the joy and freedom of being out on the water and go boldly into each adventure that comes your way.
The goal when you're at a boat ramp is to be thorough, yet quick. So load and secure all your gear and supplies in the boat before you leave home.
When you pull up to the staging area, make it your first priority to put the drain plug in.
While you're back there, detach the transom straps and remove the transom support bracket from your outboard.
Turn on your battery power and tie your dock lines to cleats on the side you intend to dock. One at the bow and one at the stern.
Keep your winch strap and safety chain attached for the launch and recount your checklist. Before you back down, engage four-wheel drive if your vehicle is equipped with it.
Ideally, you have an experienced boater ready at the helm as you back down. Stay close to the courtesy dock to keep other lanes open. When the stern begins to float and the bow is still slightly supported by the trailer, shift into park, engage the emergency brake, and then get out to unhook the winch strap and safety chain.
Tilt the engine down until the water intake is fully submerged, then turn it on. With a bump into reverse and a little bit of throttle, the boat should slide off with ease. If not, the trailer may need to be backed down just a little bit more. If your companion doesn't have the experience to be at the helm, have them hold onto the bow and stern lines and walk along the dock as the boat is being backed down. Once the boat is floating, the strap and safety chain can be detached, and they can pull it off the trailer and along the dock, steering it with the lines.
If you're launching solo, you can use the same method. Just make sure to secure your lines somewhere where you can reach them before backing down. Or you can board your boat from the courtesy dock, then drive it off the trailer. In either case, tie off to the dock and then go park your vehicle and trailer.
And when the day is done, loading your boat is basically the same process in reverse. With an experienced companion, one of you can retrieve the vehicle and the other can drive the boat onto the trailer.
If you're not lined up correctly, just back up, reset, and approach again. Once you're centered on the trailer, you'll likely have to give it some throttle to get up toward the bow stop. Turn the engine off and tilt it up for clearance. Go round to the tongue and winch your boat till it's snug up against the bow stop. Then hook the safety chain to the bow eye. When you're back in your vehicle, disengage the e-brake and then pull the boat out and around to the staging area.
To reduce weight before you hit the road, pull the drain plug. You should empty the live wells while you're still on the water, but do it here if you haven't already. Draining the water will also help prevent spreading aquatic species into a body of water where they don't belong. Remove any grasses from your boat and trailer and spray it down before launching into another body of water.
Attach the transom support bracket to your outboard, then secure your transom straps. Do a final walk around to make sure all your tires are inflated, everything is drained and strapped down, and your trailer lights are functioning.
With another successful day in the books, it's time to head home and clean up.
Thanks for taking the time on this episode of Saltwater Boating Basics presented by Mercury Marine.